Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap here and as you can see on the third position we've got date and time options, so let's choose it. And as you can see now we are using automatic date and time. If you want to set it manually, just tap here. And now we can choose either use GPS provided time or turn it off. So let's tap here. As you can see, date and time are active. So we can just tap on it and manually choose the date we want to use. Click on OK. The same situation with the time. We can manually set the one we want to use. Let's click on OK. As you can see, it immediately changes right here and also on the status bar. What's more, we can select the time zone. Now we are using network provided time zone, so simply tap on the switcher to turn it off and tap on the time zone. Click on region and here from the list we can choose the one we want to use, for example this one. Let's get back and as you can see it is immediately applied. What's more, we can decide if we want to use the 24-hour format just like now or simply 12-hour format. In order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here and as you can see it is immediately applied. If we want to get back to all previous settings, so if you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. If you want to use automatic time zone, also tap on the switcher and the same situation with date and time. In order to use network provided date and time, simply tap here and tap on the very first position. And as you can see, it is immediately changed and applied. So that's all. This is how to manually set date and time in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.